Okay, folks, section 10.6 says division of integers. The rules are the same as multiplication. They are the same as multiplication. Let me help you here. Earlier, we were talking about this. A negative times a negative is a positive. A positive times a positive is a positive. A negative times a positive is a negative. And a positive times a negative is a negative. Okay? Now think about this. If the two signs are the same, it's positive. If they're different, then it's negative. This is true for multiplication and division. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. So when I look at A, B, and C, I've got two numbers that are being divided, because we're talking about division today. If they're the same sign, their answer's positive. If there's a different sign, if they're different signs, the answer's negative. So let me ask you first. We'll deal with the sign first. Eric, this first problem, A, says negative 45 divided by negative 9. Do they have the same sign?
Yes.
So their answer is going to be what?
Negative.
Their answer will be positive, because they have the same sign. So I now have a positive, but what's the number value now? What is 45 divided by 9? Don't use your calculator, use your mind. 45 divided by 9, Ian? 5. So our answer here is positive 5. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to get to B in just a second. Let me go back. Can I do this? Just before we go on from A, this is a fraction. Right? Because a fraction is a division problem. There are two negatives, so they turn into positives. 45 over 9 is 5. Beautiful. Stop there. Skip B. Let's go to C. I'm going to write this as a fraction. 0 over negative 18. Okay. What should my sign be? Just looking at the two numbers, what should my sign be? Pace?
Negative.
It should be negative. But what is 0/18?
0.
Thank you, Harry. It is 0. And we don't have a negative in front of a 0, so we're just going to write that as 0. Fine. I've a pizza and it's divided into 18 slices and I have none of them. I'm sad. But that means it equals 0. Now I'm going to show you in this next one a math law. And you do not break this math law or you go to math jail. This is you, because you are in math jail. Don't do this ever. This says negative 12 divided by 0. Just looking at the signs, our answer would be what, Elise?
Negative.
Negative. But we can never, ever divide by 0. You can never divide by 0. Okay? That's against math law. Okay? This is undefined. Remember it now. Remember it now. All right? We'll talk about later why this is true. It's approaching infinity, and infinity is not a number. It's not a spot. It goes on forever and ever. Okay? Great job. Let's look at the next example.
I was saying,